In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix ending balance in QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to enter, and how to start reconciling so your books line up with your bank or credit card statement. First, open QuickBooks and sign in to your company. From your dashboard, look to the top right and click the Settings gear icon. In the menu that opens, choose Reconcile. This is the tool designed to match what's in QuickBooks to what appears on your statement, and it's the key to correcting an ending balance that doesn't look right. If you're prompted with a welcome screen, click Get Started to continue. Next, select the specific account you want to reconcile. Be sure you pick the exact bank or credit card account that matches the statement you're using. If you have multiple accounts with similar names, pause for a second and confirm the last 4 digits or account type so you're reconciling the right one. Now, enter the ending balance and the statement ending date exactly as they appear on your statement. Type the full amount, including cents, and avoid rounding. Even a few pennies off can keep the reconciliation from balancing. For the date, use the statement's ending date, not today's date and not the beginning date of the period. For credit cards, this will be the cycle end date listed on the statement. When those fields look correct, start reconciling. You'll see a list of transactions from that account. The goal here is to check off only the transactions that appear on your bank or credit card statement for that period. As you select them, watch the difference indicator at the top. You're aiming for that difference to reach 0. When it does, your ending balance is effectively fixed and aligned with the statement. If the difference isn't moving the way you expect, double-check 2 things first: the account you selected and the ending balance and date you entered. Typos, using a prior statement's date, or picking the wrong account are the most common causes of a mismatch. Also, make sure you're not checking off transactions that aren't actually on the statement you're reconciling. Stay within the statement's date range. A few quick tips as you work. Enter the balance exactly as printed, including any minus sign for credit cards if shown. Don't force the reconciliation with an adjustment just to get to 0, and if the difference matches a fee or interest you see on the statement, ensure that item is recorded in your book so it can be checked off here. That's it. Follow these steps and you'll correct the ending balance and get your reconciliation back on track.